What's up, YouTube? What's up, spiritual community? It's getting cold outside, and I was gonna do this outdoor, but I decided to do it indoor. So these are just 3 simple ways to meditate. Personally, the 3 ways I like to meditate is pretty much gonna be covering the root chakra, and honestly, if you're new to meditation, it's really about just getting comfortable, getting into your own zone. And pretty much what you want to look out for is making sure your back is straight. You want to get some stretches in. You want to get in a comfortable position before you begin to meditate. And so this is just a quick, simple video for meditation, because I'm more of a beginner also, and this is what I've learned during my meditation. So this position right here is more for just grounding yourself and feeling in oneness, such as like your beliefs, feeling grounded in your beliefs and just building that balance. And so again, just you can focus on your breathing, but a lot of times what I do is I just try to focus on nothing. But I decided to add breathing to this video just so you guys can kind of see like what I do throughout my meditation process. I try to meditate for about 10 to 15 minutes each meditation session. And so here we go. We're going into the root chakra position. And again, root, because I'm learning this as I go, and I'm learning about the 7 chakra levels, and root chakra is actually like part of your survival mode. It's like your instinct mode, survival mode, and it starts at like the base of your spine. And I'm really trying to dive deeper into this spirituality, and I use this position for every meditation, but I decided to throw a few more in there just so you guys can kind of get a gist of like how complex meditation really is. Because when we think of meditation, we just think it's just, oh, you sit somewhere, you meditate, which you can do that, especially if you have a busy schedule and you just need to meditate for about 5 minutes in the car. And so I'm kind of doing a voiceover for this video because again, it's cold outside, so I didn't want to do it outside. And so guys, what we have right here is like, this is what I consider like the praying meditation. So as I'm doing this position, I'm praying to the Most High. What I'm doing is I am praying for everything that I want in my life, everything that I need in my life. And I am also just thanking my inner spirit. I'm thanking my Most High for just everything that He's given me in my life, and just for giving me the willpower and the strength to make it through day by day. I'm trying to break this down the best way I can, and again, this is just my way of meditating. I'm sure other people have completely different ways to meditate, and they could, I'm sure they describe it the way they want to, but these are just ways that I like to meditate, guys. Again, this is indoor because normally what I do is during the summertime, I try to do it around sunrise, because that's normally the best time to meditate. And so I just kind of wanted to give you guys an example on how to meditate. And I'm also going to show you guys one other way, which is like a kneeling or like a crouch position. And I really don't do this style because it hurts my knees personally. But if you're someone who doesn't like to sit in a crisscross applesauce position, then you could also just get in a crouch position or the bending knees position. And again, just get comfortable, get relaxed. And the main thing you want to do during meditation is focus on nothing, because when those thoughts come to your head, they will come to your head. And again, you want to focus on, it's more of getting clarity and clearing your mindset. getting a clear mindset and just realizing that everything is going to be okay. You know, this anxiety or whatever is going to go away, guys. So I hope you guys got something from this video. I know if it feels kind of rushed and kind of hasty, and I apologize for that, guys. This is my first, well, not my first, but I rarely do voiceover videos, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's the Libra Caprio Mill, and hey, life and waves are alike. They never stop.